Today's video is sponsored by Glamnetic. We are going to try some magnetic lashes. I'm very excited about this because I know that a lot of you have questions about magnetic lashes, and today I'm going to show you how you can use the lashes, the liner, and what the difference exactly is with using falsies or lash extensions, for example. I know that the brand Glamnetic started to like really blow after Doja Cat used their lashes. I have two styles and these are my fave. One is, I love the packaging by the way. This is a way more natural one, like perfect for everyday use. I just put this on my eye and it looks amazing. So, you can try different styles because once the liner, the magnetic liner is there, you can just like take it off and just put on another lash. Nothing is going to happen to that liner. So that one was the natural one, and this is the lavish lash, and there's a sticker on it. It says A14, which is, a little bit more glam, but still like, I would say like natural glam. So I think these are perfect for me, especially if you have hooded eyes. Lashes like these when you have a little bit of space like in the beginning is perfect for hooded eyes. I'm going to try both because we can. They have 20 plus styles on their websites, from very natural and like for everyday use like the one I showed you, to very bold and glam and just va va boom. This is the eyeliner. I know that you can get 70 uses out of this liner, and you can use the lashes about 40 plus times, which is a lot, and it saves you money as well. You don't even have to apply mascara. I applied a tiny layer, but it's not necessary. Just as you normally would apply your liner, you can also do a wing if you want. Now we're going to wait for this to dry, and then you can just like pop on your lash. And basically it's that simple. You can also use it without mascara, and I have this thing, like I really don't like to remove my mascara. Not that I like my mascara so much, but it's just like the process of removing my mascara, and there's just like I just get really annoyed, or just like take out my falsies, or like when you pull your falsies and you still have glue and you think you actually really cleaned your eye, but there's still some glue, like even in the mornings. That's the thing I usually don't like about a regular glue or falsies. Let's try this one, the natural one. So you see the little black things on the lash band? Those are actually the magnets. We're just going to pop this on the liner. And that, I'll zoom you guys in a little. This is the natural one. I actually really love this with my eyes. This is like perfect for everyday use. You see that? And it honestly took me like a few seconds. So loving this one. And now you can just like take this off. Nothing is happening to the eyeliner. And this is the more glam lash. And it's on. Just like that. See, this is way more glam, very wispy and sultry. Ooh, this lash is also like really good. You guys, that is basically it. I'm just going to do the same on the other side as well. The difference between these eyes is just crazy. I love these lashes, by the way. These are gorgeous. I'm just going to let this eyeliner dry, but the difference is great. If you apply the eyeliner, let it dry, pop the lashes on, I think you can do it like in 30 seconds. And I can't believe how easy it is to like pull it off without pulling your eyelid, basically. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. You can follow me on Instagram as well, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.